Hi, this is just a quick video on how I'm charging my batteries for my DJI Mini 3 Pro. And I got this question if it's possible to charge it using a MacBook charger, because there is a difference that the DJI's chargers are about 30 watts and the MacBook charger is 145 watts. So the question was basically if the battery could be overpowered by this more powerful charger. And the short answer is that I have successfully charged my drone many times using my MacBook charger. I don't know if this is advised. This is just my personal experience and the way I have done it, and I haven't had any problems with it. But if you want to do this, you should keep in mind that these are products from two different manufacturers, and that there might be a problem for someone else, even if I didn't have those problems. I've had success by connecting my charger directly to the drone. I have also connected it to my battery charger for 3 batteries, and I have also had success when I was charging the remote control. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions regarding this, and thanks for watching.